Let's see what's new in V10 for Aspen One Supply Chain Management. The new functionality in Aspen One Supply Chain Management consists of a completely redesigned and modernized HTML5 version of collaborative forecasting, as well as the Polymer-specific scheduling capabilities found in Aspen Plan Scheduler. The HTML5 version of collaborative forecasting can be accessed from any web-enabled device, including desktops, laptops, and tablets. Forecast accuracy is improved through the enhanced collaboration between the Salesforce and the demand planning team. Flexible override levels in conjunction with modern graphing capabilities make it easy to adjust and view the forecast in real time. For existing customers of collaborative forecasting, this newly redesigned version uses Apache Tomcat instead of Oracle WebLogic. Aspen Plan Scheduler's new Polymers-focused scheduling capabilities allow Polymers producers to significantly reduce costs associated with inventory holdings, transitions, and operations. These new scheduling capabilities can be implemented in a matter of weeks, resulting in faster times to benefits. When customers compared their actual schedules created in spreadsheets and SAP Advanced Planning and Optimization, or APO, to schedules created in Aspen Plan Scheduler, our optimizer found millions of dollars in savings per production facility in every case. Stay tuned for more in-depth videos around the new functionality in V10. Future videos will take a deep dive into the completely redesigned version of collaborative forecasting and the new Polymer scheduling capabilities in Aspen Plan Scheduler. To learn more about Aspen One Supply Chain Management, please visit our website at www.aspentech.com.